Well, good morning everyone. My name's Guy and it's my pleasure to welcome you to the university, welcome you to the School of Engineering and most importantly welcome you to our brand new facility, the Cadet Engineering and Design Facility. I'm the Dean of Engineering here at Deakin and responsible for the engineering courses and much of the engineering research. The purpose of the presentation today is to really give you a feel for not necessarily what we do, but more about who we are, who we connect with, who we talk to, so that you can get a real feel of what an education with us is like and where it would lead you in the future. Now, I want to talk to you about the role that we have with industry, because ultimately a university engineering education, as good as it is, needs to lead you into meaningful employment. Thales, a French company, but with representation right across the world, employing many thousands of engineers. Thales are not only into defence, most recently they've won a €1 billion contract to help re-engineer the underground system in London. Often people say that engineering is the application of science, but I think it's a lot more than that. To me, science is all about discovery, whereas engineering is all about innovation. And if we look at how best to innovate, I think there are three very important areas that we need to draw from. At the top, we have industrial design. Design is very much at the heart of what we do in all facets of engineering. It's absolutely key to a lot of our different functions. Good design is all about the interface with the user. So if you think about the example in my hand, the iPhone, a fantastic example of how great design based on users has transitioned into a superbly engineered product. And who would have thought just a few years ago I could hold something in my hand where I could control this environment, where I could take a phone call, or I could post something on social media. Industrial technology has a dovetail back into science. Industrial technology is all about the materials and the machines and the equipment that we use to create manufactured artifacts. So perhaps the closest synergy would be if you think about material science. Material science, very much a hybrid between science and engineering. And then on the other side, we have what I term industrial engineering. Industrial engineering is all about the economics and the management of the process. So if you think about business, economics, finance and management, all very important parts of engineering. So again, if you start off as an engineer, because of these linkages and these synergies and these overlaps, there's no reason why you cannot go into the sciences, into the design area or into business and management. This is one of the best engineering and design facilities, not only in Australia, but anywhere across the world, and it just happens to be located here in Geelong. Thanks very much for your attention.